is an archipelago of over 17,000 islands, and it is home to a remarkable linguistic diversity. With more than 700 languages spoken across the nation, each language carries its own unique stories, traditions, and identities. This rich tapestry of languages reflects the country's complex history and cultural heritage. One of the most historic and culturally rich languages is Sundanese, which is spoken by millions of people primarily in the West Java region and beyond. Sundanese is not just a means of communication, it is a vessel of cultural expression, encompassing traditional music, dance, and folklore. The language has been passed down through generations, preserving the wisdom and traditions of the Sundanese people. Exploring Indonesia's linguistic diversity offers a fascinating glimpse into the nation's soul. The Sundanese language is among the oldest in Indonesia, with roots tracing back to the Austronesian family. This ancient language has been spoken for centuries, evolving and adapting through various historical periods. Remarkably, the Kawali inscription in Kiamis, dating back to the 14th century, serves as proof of its deep historical presence. This inscription is not just a piece of stone, it is a window into the past, offering insights into the culture, governance, and daily life of the Sundanese people during that era. The intricate carvings and the language used in the inscription reflect the sophistication and richness of Sundanese civilization. It stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of the Sundanese language and its significant role in the cultural tapestry of Indonesia. The Kawali inscription continues to be a subject of study for historians and linguists, shedding light on the ancient traditions and societal structures of the Sundanese people. With around 42 million speakers, Sundanese ranks third among Indonesia's languages. It has two main dialects, the H and non-H dialects, illustrating its rich diversity. Although centered in West Java, Sundanese is also spoken in Banten, Jakarta, and even as far as Lampung. The language even has its own script, the Sundanese script, symbolizing its cultural identity. More than just a communication tool, the Sundanese language is deeply intertwined with the identity and cultural heritage of its speakers. It is a living testament to their history, traditions, and values. Scholars, including the esteemed Professor Mikihiro Moriyama, have extensively highlighted the profound cultural significance of the Sundanese language. They argue that it is not merely a means of exchanging words, but a vessel carrying the collective memory and wisdom of the Sundanese people. Preservation efforts are crucial in this context. Through the development of textbooks, educational programs, and community initiatives, these efforts aim to ensure that the language continues to thrive. By teaching younger generations and encouraging its use in daily life, these initiatives help keep this invaluable cultural heritage alive and vibrant for future generations to cherish and celebrate. Learning and supporting local languages like Sundanese keeps Indonesia's diverse cultures vibrant. Interested in learning Sundanese? Let's celebrate this remarkable language together.